Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to put this lens back in glasses if this falls out. This is a very common problem which we face, and then we don't know what to do with this. If we go to optician, they may charge a lot of money, but you can do this at home. I will give you some simple tips for this one. So we are doing this on half frame, or we call it as semi frame glasses. As you can see, this lens is out of its place, so I will show you simply how to put this back. So first thing is, we need to fit this one on the metal side, so this side which we have a frame, and don't worry about this string. So place this one, make sure it sits well, yeah. And now we need to put this string, which is usually tough. If you try to push this one, you may put one corner in, but the other corner doesn't go in. So for this one, we're gonna use a very simple tool, which is a polythene bag. Yeah. So put this polythene bag through like this, and then hold this side firmly in its place. Pull this string into this space which is made, yeah, and there you go. It's that simple. And now you can take this polythene out, and you can see it sits nicely firmly within that, and this is done. Yeah. So you see, if you think you need to do some adjustment, just have a look around, make sure this string sits firmly in this space which is made for this string, and then you are done. Hope you like this trick. If you like my video, please do share, subscribe, and your opinion is very valuable for us, so don't forget to mention in the comments what you think about this one. Thank you very much.